Pain, suffering, failures, they are all part of every single person's life. There's varying levels of pain for sure.